What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Amazon.com with the ticker symbol AMZN. I will first go over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So I'm going to do a market structure update for Amazon since last week Saturday, and it looks like I did my analysis right about here at the top of the trend. So I was saying we're going to probably be expecting a pullback, and that's what occurred. We pulled back to the EMA, but there's a good chance it will continue to pull back lower and lower. But the context is that we should see higher prices, but short term is probably going to be bearish. So let's look at this measure move right here. Price exceeded the measure move target because the trend was very strong, and we started an uptrend right over here, and we are bouncing off the top side of the trend channel, which is resistance. But it was such a strong trend that it did not allow price to go any lower than the midline. But now it looks like we had a strong move down, so there's a good chance we probably see price continue to move down towards the opposite side of the channel or even break it. We only have two touches on the bottom side, the initial touch and then the second one right here. So the third touch would confirm it. So let's see where price can pull back to. I don't have an exact target, but this 120 level looks appealing because that's where the measure move target was, and that's where the breakout of this double top was. So that looks like an area that price can pull back to. So short-term bearish, long-term it still looks good for higher price targets. I think traders are just waiting for a pullback to enter on to resume the uptrend. So this looks pretty good. Looks like there is an imbalance obviously going on because price continues to move up higher and higher. So there's a good chance that it will continue to move up higher and higher after this short-term correction plays out. So that's everything I have on the daily chart. Now let's take a look at the weekly chart. So weekly chart shows that price was in an uptrend for quite a long time. Then there was a correction. I'm going to mark the all-time highs. The correction looks like it has stopped at the 82 level for now. Good chance it might be permanent. There was this prior downtrend in play right over here. And you can see that after a downtrend gets a break, we expect two attempts at a new low. This was the first attempt lower, second attempt lower, target met, price reversed strongly. So this was the strongest reversal in this entire downtrend. So that tells me that there's a good chance that this downtrend is probably over. And also we broke this trend line right over here. So price is no longer in this downtrend. We are definitely in an uptrend. There's a good chance that we should be looking for higher price targets. And I would say this level right here looks like a magnet, and the reason being is that price tested it numerous times. It's tested it here, 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 a couple of times here, here. So this would be the next target that price wants to come back to, the 146 level, and then the all-time highs. So looks like we're getting a pullback. We're a little overextended. It might not pull back that far. We'll see what type of how the short-term downtrend is. If it's very weak, then there's a good chance the trend will probably continue higher. If this downtrend correction is very strong, then we might even see a very large pullback. So we'll see. But as right now, I'd be expecting higher price targets. So that's all I have for Amazon this week, Saturday. And this is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time. The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now.